Welcome back to the channel, YouTubing. It's Paddock Cart Scale Dreams. So today, model cars and coffee this Sunday. Thank you, Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds, for hosting this. Great idea that you came up with. Geez, how many weeks ago now has it been? Anybody know? Let me know. It's got to be over 20. I don't know. I've maybe participated in half of those because of work. So today is my first day off. I worked all night, 13-hour shift with the time change. It was a long one. So I had a bit of a nap. Just woke up and I was just, yeah, I opened up YouTube and I was like, oh, it's Sunday. Forgot all about it. So anyways, first off, I want to thank my viewers. Appreciate the support in the last video. Very much appreciated. Likes, comments, thumbs ups. Really appreciated. Also prayers for those that need them. I know there's people in the community going through some stuff, and I just want to offer my prayers from my family to yours. We're going through a little bit of stuff too here. So today I'm going to be showing one of my favorite builds. It's actually one of my shop cards. I don't have any of these ones left, but when I printed them off, I printed a whole bunch and then I ran out of ink halfway through the printing, so most of them didn't even turn out. So they went pretty fast. So anyways, looking forward to watching some videos today. We're gonna go out and head out to the river, I think, in a bit. So I won't get to them videos until later this evening, but I promise I will. But I quickly wanted to get this out there and show this one really quick. Okay, so we'll get you turned around and we'll have a look at this build. Okay, so here we go. This is the AMT's 1969 Cougar Eliminator kit. Obviously you can see I didn't build it stock. I just kind of did a weekend warrior type build. Just random parts box decals all over it. Initially I was going to do like a retro rod, I think that's what they call it, resto rod type build with the big rims and all that stuff, because I wasn't a big fan of the detail on this kit. Like the trimmer on the windows and everything was very faint. Still, I mean, the body looks good, it's just some of the window trim was very faint and I didn't like that. Very kind of basic chassis and under stuff. So anyways, this is what I did with it. Just basic black underneath, no weathering, nothing. Put some big meats under there. Slapper bars, those are scratch built. Parts box, wheels and tires. Like I said, I just grabbed a whole bunch of decals out of the parts box there and threw them on. Actually turned out pretty good, I thought. So I did some accents with red, roll bar, rear wing, and the hood. So anyways, it says Cobra Jet on there. It's not a Cobra Jet, it's actually a 351, I think. So here's a close-up of the rims. Those are hit with metallizers. So just love the way those metallizers look. So I tried to do the chrome all along on the tail lights. It's a bit of a pain, but I think it turned out pretty good. Just some detailing in the front here. Same thing, black washing. Some paint detail. Excuse me. So this is actually 3 colors. It's all duplicolor, white, I think a graphite, and then an ice blue on the top. And then I, again, parts box decals for those red stripes there. This roll cage was scratch built. It really simplified the interior. It's really hard to see in the interior. I deleted the rear seat. Built an easy, quick 6-point roll cage. Actually, these windows are from, so you can see, see if we can get a reflection there. So these are tinted, but they're actually out of a disposable 3D glasses that if you go to the movies, use those 3D glasses. So I took them out of there and I used them. So that's that. They cut really easy, and they're really really nice to use. Actually, I quite like those. So that's what that is. Let's see what else. Oh, I robbed some door handles and I put those on there. I don't even think those are the correct ones for a Ford, but anyways, all good. Then I did some wiring and stuff under here. Wiring, fuel line. That's a metalizer on that bug catcher there. I think it turned out pretty good. Did some whole bunch of springs in there as well, return springs. So I think that turned out pretty good. Just kind of having fun with it, detailing. Like I said, the engine compartment isn't accurate at all, so I didn't want to do a factory box or factory build. That's how, whatever, I don't know, I always think like that, but I always do something custom when the detail isn't as good as I'd want it. So anyways, that's the build. I really love this build. It's cool. I had a lot of fun with it. I changed plans with it after I'd painted it. Turned out pretty good. I like it. It's cool. So another thing I did with the chrome, I remember, is I shot it with Tamiya smoke. So that's what that looks like. Tamiya smoke. Sorry about my lighting. My round light died, so I'm using the light on my phone, and it just, I don't know, I don't like it, but gotta see. Okay, so appreciate everybody checking in, watching the video. Like I said, hopefully I'll get to your guys' videos today, and yeah, Hope everyone's doing well. Have a good weekend and enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Pat out. Model on. Thank you. Thank you very much.